Pablo. Singapore, ako si Josh. Hi Singapore, this is Stella.
Hindi ko nabisan yung lahat ako si John.
What's up Singapore, this is Justin. Let's be nice. Kamusta ang team? You know what guys, we're very happy right now because after all these tours that we've been to, this is the next biggest after our kickoff, so we're very happy that there's a lot of 18 and even casuals that we're able to watch right now, so we're very happy. Thank you so much guys. How about you? You want to say anything about you?
Sadly, we didn't have enough time or sobrang busy namin. We had a lot of things to do the past few days. That's why we didn't have enough time, but we enjoyed the food for real. Yeah, I just want to thank Singapore fans, mga Filipinos, na nandito sa Singapore. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo sa amin. Sa pagpunta sa aming concert dito. Sobrang na-appreciate ko namin lahat. Kaya gusto po namin sabihin naman na mahal ko namin kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Pero pakita ko na. Kasi pagdating namin dito, sobrang ramdam na rin namin yung love and effort namin. Yung pagdating namin sa airport, grabe yung salubong nyo. Parang kaming OFW, yung nabinayin sa bansa natin. Kulang na lang i-hug nyo kami, tapos, alam mo yun. Pero grabe, sobrang na-enjoy namin lahat sa labas ng fan zone. Na-enjoy nyo ba yung fan zone? Parang hindi. Na-enjoy nyo ba? Ayan, parang ganyan. Sobrang happy kami na na-experience nyo. One man yung na-experience nyo kasi this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Na makapuno tayo ng ganitong marami. Tama ba? Tama ba? Sinood-out nyo, grabe. Maraming salamat.
Sobrang nakikita namin yung warmth and energy niya. I know that it messes so much because last time we were able to push through. Pero kasi,
Para sa inyo yung gabing ito, para sa atin lahat. So, I hope na lahat po tayo mamaya ay syempre umuwing nakangiti. Pero, pwede ba ako mag-request? Pwede ba natin i-try na sumigaw?
ginagawa ito nyo. Kaya hindi na namin papatagalin pa. Without further ado, we present you, Simula Podcast!
on the other side. Are you guys enjoying? Gusto niyo ba dyan kami mag-perform sa harap niyo? We'll make sure that everyone will enjoy tonight. But I have one question. Tingin niyo ba matibay itong Expo Arena na no? Ano to? Pwede ba na for our next set, gusto ko lahat kayo kakanta? Means everyone will sing, everyone will dance, and he will tell you when to stand up, okay? And, of course, later on, you're gonna know when. So, okay ba yan? Okay, let's start with the first objective. Can you all sing with me? Okay lang ba yan? Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made up and now, so never stop. One more time. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top and made a bet now, phone never stop. Let's go! Wait a second, cause we're going to the top. Yeah. Wait a second, cause we're going to the top. And made a bet now, phone never stop. Go! See, we're breaking all the rules, going on up in the bed, just doing what I want. Backwards and track. Now we learn, we go hard like we lose time. On your sun, nice and dicey in the track. Now we run, we go hard like we lose time. On your sun, nice and dicey in the track. Like grips and track. Before we continue, we would like to thank, of course, all the people and all the groups who's very masipag. And sila may dahilan kung bakit natuloy itong show na to. Of course, to our baby, 1Z Entertainment. Thank you so much. Make some noise for 1Z Entertainment 18. And of course, our Singapore producers, DLM Inventive. Thank you so much. Noble Life. And of course, Miss Babes Conde, thank you so much po, Miss Babes. Thank you so much for making this concert possible. Nabuo po natin at nakompleto, na sold out ang venue natin tonight. Kaya maraming salamat, 18. Woo!
Yes, and syempre, gusto rin namin masalamatan ang pinakamamahal natin sponsor. Yes, muna-una po ang ating co-presenter, Urban Green Technical Services. Yes, thank you po.
Thank you!
And syempre, ating palinong sponsors, Ninang Acer.
Kaya ko na sinasabi namin kanina na sold out po namin, kaya malaki po yung pasasalamat namin sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Sana po, next time po, ganito pa rin po, for mas dadami ko po tayo. Yun po yung pinapangarap namin. Kaya, let's enjoy this night and thank you so much HC Singapore. Maraming salamat.
And of course, syempre in every stops, we do this. At syempre, hindi makakaligtas ang Singapore. Are you guys game to do the Dungka Challenge? Are you guys down for it? Everyone please stand up and let's do the Dungka Challenge! Stand up, stand up! Are you guys ready? Okay, if everyone's ready, let's go!
Mabait din naman. Okay, one more time, one more photo now, one more photo. Let's go. Okay, everybody say, simula mga Singapore, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3!
Thank you so much, team!
Alright.
And now, ito na ang favorite part ng lahat. Buhay pa ba ang mga light sticks niya?